In this video, I will show you how to undo a sent email in Gmail so you can quickly take back messages you sent by mistake. So in this example, what I'm going to do is just click to compose a message, and I'm just going to enter a recipient and of course a subject. And then I'm just going to put a few words in the actual email body. Now, once you've done this, when you click send, you're going to see a small box come up in the top left-hand corner, which gives you a few seconds to undo and unsend that message. So if I click onto send, you're going to see in the bottom left-hand corner a pop-up window with the option to click undo. Now, the thing is with this is it only comes up for a few seconds, and you can see the undo button goes away pretty fast. So there is a way to change this to give you more time to, of course, change your mind and unsend an email, maybe you sent by mistake or something like that. Now, to change this, come up to the top, and what you want to do is click onto this gear icon to open up your settings window. And in your quick settings, you want to click onto see all settings. Now, from here, if you come up to the top, you want to click onto the general tab just up here. And you're going to see in the general section a undo send option. By default, the cancellation period is 5 seconds. So that little window that pops up basically gives you 5 seconds to click undo. So what I would recommend is clicking the drop down box and changing this to the maximum of 30 seconds. Once you've done that, scroll all the way to the bottom. Be sure to click the save changes button. What that's going to do is take you back to your Gmail. And now you're going to see if I compose another message. And what I'm going to do is click on to send. It's now going to give us 30 seconds on this pop-up window in the bottom left-hand corner to click the undo button. Once you click on to undo, what it's going to do, as you can see, is unsend the email. You can see it says send in undone, and that is how to undo a sent email in Gmail. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.